Are you kidding me? bnsf warbonnet, alright. That was pretty cool with the bnsf warbonnet. Similar training is Norfolk 128B. 20B ready to Chicago, Illinois. That's 6-meter tree yard. Had these muffled air at the Mazi are all on this Thursday, June 21st, 2022. Why will the raise on YouTube? Alright. Cause next thing I'll roll it. Oh, get down there. There's another training center there. That's the Norfolk 114 meter. Could tell. There was sitting there. Alright, comes next thing I'll roll it. Hey buddy, why will the train's here? Wanna go catch this LS train? It's coming. There it is right now. I see the white. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, tier 4. Similar training is Norfolk 2064. 264 dates in Chicago, Illinois, the 47th Street Yard. Street Yard has the east to Massachusetts with a stop in Canberra, New York. All on this Tuesday, June 19th, 2022. Why will ready to YouTube by? Comes next video, roll it. Yeah, what a lash up. Lashless there. DPR, what that? Newbie hair joint. What's that? Similar train is CSX M368. The straight rates to Chicago, New York, goes to Chicago, go away to Clear Yard, you go 30 to Salt New York. All on this Monday, June 18th, 2022, why will it rain on YouTube? Come to the old roll it. Hey, buddy, my train's there. Got a train, come and check it out. And deleted. That was the iOS 17. Hey buddy, why will the train's here? We have a train, come and check it out. Maybe saw him there, he saw him out. There's a train there. Awesome, flag was paint scheme. Look at that. Well, that's paint scheme. 15 mile an hour now. See, he's going through a paint scheme. Here's another train. Will be a train meet. Oh, train meet. But that's not a train down there. He's probably a train meet come. Get it, slow down. Smoking on a train may be coming. 110 mile an hour. Or what the other train slowing down. Or what the other train slowing down. So I want car left in the middle. Simple as Norfolk Southern 206. To call Norfolk Southern Union Pacific Peacekeep Wireless SC-78 206 ready to Chicago, Illinois, the 16 Mercer Yard. Head east to Buffalo, New York, on the Saturday. December 2nd, 2023. This Friday, December 2nd, 2022. Why will the trains on YouTube? This Friday. This Friday, January 7th, 2022. Why will the trains on YouTube? Where's the other train at? There's the other train there. He's pulling up. Stop. There, they can check it out. It's over there. Park it over there. Over why you stop it. Park. What's another train coming in? Why are we moving that slow? He's walking and switching. You may have to pull up. He's pulling up. Pulling up. Pulling up. There he goes. He's pulled up. There's another train. He's on its way. There's the other train. What do we got? Look at that. BNS 40-6. Look at that. And it just delete. That train we just saw with Norfolk Southern 206. Straight related to Chicago, Illinois. Free audio of the Buffalo, New York, and the internet. That train was deleted. On this Friday. So this Friday, January 7th, 2022. Why will the train continue back? Hey buddy, why will the train tear? Train starting to move here. Check it out. We're going to go 5 mile an hour. Stuff like that. It's going to really slow assault. Please go 10 mile an hour than that. Only 10 mile an hour now.
You stay out of there.
Really gates. Uh, Pause. Fastest train that's going 40 miles an hour. What is 7 on that train is Norfolk Southern 206. With the cool. That's the train that stopped before the emergency break. 206 reached Chicago, Illinois. 3 yard has these smoke-away flashing on this Friday, January 7th, 2022. Live on the trains on YouTube. Because it's the old road.